Hi, today we will prepare sushi from rice, cucumber, salmon, cottage cheese, and caviar. First, boil the water. I put the rice in boiling water, covered it with a lid and simmered for 15 minutes. Let's start preparing the rice dressing. To do this, we use 5 teaspoons of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. This sauce should stand in a water bath until the salt and sugar are completely dissolved. Slowly pour the sauce into the rice, trying to distribute evenly. Mix the rice with the sauce. We take out sheets of nori, the so-called algae that is used for rolls and sushi. I put rice in a special device called a bazooka. We put cottage cheese on top of the rice, cucumber, salmon, close the bazooka. Remove the lid from the bazooka and start squeezing the rolls out of it. We twist the sheets of nori. Cut the rolls into pieces. We put caviar on top. The rolls are served with soy sauce, ginger, and wasabi.